For example, one important thing about events is the default event object we can listen to. There is this event object created by JavaScript or by the DOM, which holds some information. For example, on a click event, it holds the coordinates of where this click event happened. Now, let's say we want to access this information because we might be interested in outputting the data. So I'll quickly add a new paragraph here where I'll say coordinates. And I want to output the coordinates here. So that will output the x coordinate. And then let's say next to it will output a y coordinate. Now, of course, these two don't exist, so I'll quickly set them up here, x and y. And then upon hovering over this paragraph, I want to update these two values. So here I can say we on mouse move and execute update coordinates. Well, let me quickly write this method down here, update coordinates. And now I would need access to the coordinates. I would need access to this event object, which gets created automatically. Turns out it not only gets created automatically by DOM or by JavaScript, it also gets passed automatically to each function we execute through this VueJS VON binding here. VueJS does this for us. So here I can conveniently execute event, and of course this should be a function, tiny mistake here. So I can conveniently pass event here, and then here I can say this x equals event client x, as it turns out to be, and this y event client y. Client x and client y here are the default properties names of the event object, has nothing to do with Vue.js. And I also renamed this to update coordinates, as I call it up here. You now see, once I hover over it, these coordinates here update. This is A, how we can listen to something else, and then I click. But B, very importantly, it shows us how we can pass this event object, which again is created automatically, and use it as we do here.